I just want to show you a demo of why we should use this and not just any aloe vera product in the market, because not all aloe vera products are the same. Now, this represents us, our body. It's just regular water, and when we're young, we're all born healthy. Our system is clean, but as we actually grow older, we eat different foods. Um, some of the foods we eat will have residuals in it. Some of them will be chemical. Uh, some of them have properties that will stay in our body. Uh, Chemicals in our body will stay somewhere if we're not able to get rid of it. But when we're young, it doesn't really bother us that much. So it doesn't show any kind of difference. So as we grow older, we continue eating the same things. This is just betadine. We eat every day. We eat foods. We're exposed to pollution. We touch different things. And that's how we accumulate stuff in our body. Now, this shows you that there's a little bit more buildup in our body. Uh, the first thing we do when we have buildup in our body and we have some kind of uh, problems, the first thing we do is try to use a natural remedy, or maybe take medications. So if you use a natural product that works, then it's nice because you don't have any side effects. But if you use a chemical, you're gonna have more buildup. Even if you feel better, there's some more buildup in your body that can also cause more problems in the future. So this represents our body getting more buildup. Now, the more buildup we have, the more problems our body uh, uh, will have, and we start to have poor metabolism. We start to have blockages in our arteries. We start to have a buildup in our intestines. Generally, we just think of it as a natural aging process. This is representing us as we grow older and now having what we call a lifestyle disease. So if you use medication, you just put bad stuff in your body. If you use a natural cleansing product, I strongly suggest use aloe. So here, I'll show you what other products will do. This is also aloe vera, but it's not stabilized. Um, so you use a natural product hoping that it will work. But this one here doesn't do anything. So a lot of people will hear that aloe vera is good, but they just buy an ordinary product and it doesn't do anything. But if you want the best product for your family, you'd want to use aloe vera gel because it's stabilized. This is 99.99% aloe vera. So the remaining 0.01 ingredients are also natural ingredients. So it doesn't have any chemicals in it. So if you use the aloe vera gel, just put a little bit because it's so potent, and you can see some changes. And it will start to clear up, and voila. See, I didn't even put much. And if you do the same thing here, use the right type of aloe vera, and it will have some positive changes in your body because it's so potent. This vegetable will do the trick. Here, there are 3 glasses here for our product demo. I'm gonna put some hot water in these 3 glasses. Um, the hot water represents our warm blood, and I'm gonna put some bad cholesterol in here. I want to show you 3 fish oils that we can use. First, of course, is our product from Forever Living, the Arctic Sea. It's actually from cold water fishes. That's why it's called Arctic Sea. It has super omega-3 natural fish oil with olive oil. Looks like this. Just looks like an average fish oil, but there's no such thing as average in that because it's a really potent product. I want to show you the difference between our product and this one's actually a medication. It's called Loveza. It's fish oil, but it has what you call ethyl esters in it, and that's what makes it a drug because it has ethyl esters. This one is a commercial product. It's also your generic fish oil. They all kind of look the same, but I'll show you what makes the difference. It's its potency. I'm gonna put one of these here in this warm water. By the way, our Arctic Sea is mercury free because it comes from the cold water fishes away from pollution. It does not have any mercury in it. Here's the Loveza. The chemical that they have in here is called ethyl esters. If you Google up ethyl esters, you might find something very, very interesting about what ethyl esters can do in our body. And here's a generic fish oil. Supposed to have some good cardiovascular effects in our body, but I'll show you as compared to ours. I'm gonna put 3 of these in here. A lot of people will say, oh, fish oil is just fish oil, but I want to show you that it's really not. It's about quality. And this is just styrofoam. This is oil-based, an oil-based product. This is actually your good cholesterol breaking down the bad cholesterol. And you can see it's going to start to break down, meaning to say the good fatty acids are starting to break down the bad fatty acids. This is the good fatty acids, and it's going to be broken down. The good fatty acids are going to break down the bad fatty acids. And here, using 3 fish oils, you'll see that it won't really do much. You can see that it's starting to break down here. It's going to slowly break down the bad fatty acids. That's why we actually use the Arctic Sea, is because the bad cholesterol that builds up in our arteries should be broken down by the good fatty acids, the good cholesterols. So this is just a simple way to help your bad cholesterol break down, and when you drink the aloe vera gel, it actually naturally goes out of your body like it should. Can you start seeing the difference? It's starting to break down here, meaning to say the good cholesterol is breaking down the bad cholesterol. Over here, it's also starting to break down, but maybe not as fast as this one is. And this one, by the way, is a medication. It has to be prescribed to people who have cardiovascular disease. And here, as you can see, I put 3 of them. It's not doing much yet. So if you're talking about a good quality product, it's safe. There's no mercury in it. We strongly encourage people to use Forever Arctic Sea. It's also mercury free. Here you go. Started to break down, almost gone. Over here, it's not working that much, and over here, it didn't do anything at all.